Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with BUDGT full guide step by step clearly. First, download the BUDGT app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account using your email address. Once logged in, start by exploring the app's home screen. Add your income by tapping on the income section. Enter the source and amount of your income. Next, navigate to the expenses section. Begin categorizing your expenses, such as housing, food, and transportation. Input your estimated monthly expenses for each category. Review the suggested budget limits provided by BUDGT. Adjust the limits to reflect your personal financial goals. Next, set up financial goals using the Goals feature. Determine your short-term and long-term financial objectives. Allocate a portion of your budget towards these goals. Track your spending by logging each expense in the app. Use the real-time tracking feature to monitor your budget effectiveness. Regularly review your spending categories and adjust as necessary. Utilize the app's analytics tools to identify trends in your spending. At the end of each month, assess your budget performance. Make notes on areas for improvement in the next month. Set reminders to review your budget every month for consistent tracking. With these steps, you can effectively use BUDGT to manage your finances. Start budgeting today for a more secure financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.